Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best there. So you can tell that I'm not in my normal office. I'm actually out here in Montana and shooting some stuff with Sony as part of their Sony camera camp. So I got some more stuff about that coming soon, but you can check out my Instagram to keep up to date with that. But right now, you know I had to take a break on this iPhone day to unbox the brand new iPhone. All right, so I got the phone out of the plastic, so let's go ahead and get inside of the box. And as we lift the lid off, we get our first look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I did go with the big version, bigger battery, bigger screen, so it should be overall bigger and better, right? So we'll see by the time I do my review. But as I get this off of here, let's go ahead and just set this to the side and take a look at what else is inside of the box. So we do have the kind of information as far as like a quick start guide and also a couple of Apple stickers. And then beyond that, we have the usual suspects here. We do have the AirPods and also we have the Lightning cable. Now this is a different adapter that comes inside of the box. Instead of the normal 5 watts, this is going to be 18 watts. So you're going to get faster charging with this. So not the fastest, not the best charger that you can get inside of the box with the phone nowadays, but it is better than what Apple has been giving us. So it is finally a step in the right direction. Okay, now to the iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm going to take the plastic off of the screen, and I can tell you just by my first touch with this phone, I like the way the back of the phone feels. Now the back is glass, and Apple says this is going to be the toughest glass on any smartphone on the front and also on the back. So we'll see how that is, but I like the way it feels. I like the way this color looks, and it's not really super glossy, nothing like that. It has a nice matte finish on it, so I'm all for that. Now immediately I can tell you that the added thickness of this phone is noticeable. It's not a horrible thing. It's not really going to be super heavy, nothing like that, but Apple did make this phone thicker than the iPhone XS Max to make room for a bigger battery. So you have really good battery life, or you should, with this new phone compared to the previous phone. So all day battery life should be here. Now on the bottom of the phone, you will find the Lightning port making a return, and it's not USB-C, so we have another year to go without that. On the right-hand side, you will find the power button, and also on the left-hand side, you'll find the volume buttons and also the little switch there to mute your phone on and off. All right, so just booting this up for the first time, I'm not going to make you sit through the entire setup process, but I will show you the new option to change into the new dark mode. So you can do that in the setup process, and that'll just kind of make all the kind of main system menus and a lot of different apps and things like that go dark. So it's going to be easier on your eyes, especially if you are in the dark, but I just kind of like the way it looks, so I'm gonna go with that. And so with that done, I just sped through the rest of the setup process, and now we're in iOS 13 that's running on this iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the display is something that I'm just testing just really quickly here, just with the sun coming in through the windows here, and the screen just kind of shrugs the sun off of it, and I'm able to see it clearly. And so the screen should really handle HDR content a lot better, so I'm going to be watching a lot of that as I prepare for my review. But taking a look at the back of the phone, we have the triple camera setup, and no matter what you think about it, this thing has really grown to me. I do like the way it looks. Some people find it ugly. I kind of like it, but you have that new ultra wide camera angle here, and I'm going to show you a quick little picture here of me taking a sample with that. I haven't taken it yet, so I can't really tell you how it looks, but it should look good. But you have that, you have the regular wide angle camera and also the telephoto camera. And so there's a lot of other stuff going on with this phone that I covered before, so I'm not going to rehash it right now and keep you here all day, but watch my other videos about this iPhone 11 Pro to get caught up on those. But I'm going to start working on my review. I'm going to start using these cameras, and you can stay tuned to see how my progress goes with this phone on all my social media networks and also right here on YouTube. So make sure you do subscribe and hit that notification bell. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.